complete irrigation solution for your home garden. Fit the Rivulite Aqua irrigation system in your garden and set the watering schedule as per your choice and forget it. Rivulite Aqua will take care of the easy steps for do-it-yourself Rivulite Aqua installation. Step 1. First of all, attach the adapter to the tap or faucet. Step 2. This is the Rivulus Irrigation Controller. You can schedule the watering time, day and duration as per your requirement. Once it is set, it will run automatically. It could operate by your smartphone through Bluetooth. Fit the controller to the adapter. Step 3. Connect the female adapter to the other end of the controller. Step 4. This is the flexible main drip tube which carries water for distribution to the pots or plants. Connect one end of the drip tube to the female adapter. Ensure a tight grip. Step 5. This tool is called a plier puncher. This puncher is used for making accurate holes in the drip tube to connect the dripper. To make a hole, place the drip tube in the puncher and press the handle gently and release. You can make holes in the drip tube wherever a drip connection is required. Step 6. This is the Rivulus dripper through which water comes out from the drip tube drop by drop and flows through the micro tube. If dirt accumulates in the dripper, we can open the dripper like this and clean it. Connect the dripper to the punched hole by inserting the tip which has the Rivulus and ISI marks printed on it. Step 7. This is the micro tube that carries water from the dripper to the pots or plants. Cut the micro tube from the micro tube roll as per the length required. Connect one end of the micro tube to the dripper. Step 8. Insert the other end of the micro tube in the snap peg like this. Step 9. Insert the pointed end into the soil up to this mark on the pot or where watering is required. Step 10. After all the microtubes and other connections are done, you can close the open end of the drip tube using the end cap. This completes your do-it-yourself Rivulite Aqua installation. Optional accessories. Here are some tips to personalize the Rivulite Aqua Home Garden Drip Irrigation System as per your particular needs and designs. For longer distance, the drip tube could be extended. A barbed connector connects two pieces of drip tube together. You can design the Rivulite Aqua Home Garden Drip Irrigation System as per the shape of your garden. For sharp curves, use the elbow connector. Use a T connector for multiple lines. For controlling the water flow in between, you may use a valve connector. An unwanted hole could be sealed by inserting this stopper in it. A simple and easy garden watering system operated with the Bluetooth app. First, scan the barcode on the controller box. Download the Gulcon app. Pair the app with the controller using the password received on the controller. This is the status screen. Set the timer according to the instructions given in the manual. Using this screen, set the duration, days and start time according to your requirement. Press send. Now the controller will start its operations as per the set parameters. You may manually set the start time. Using the unique rain off feature, you can switch off the controller. Say no to the hassles of hand watering, over-watering and wasting water. Rivulite Aqua is providing the required water to each plant at the root zone and creating a hygienic, healthy garden environment for you to relax and enjoy your memorable moments. Rivulite Aqua will take care of the irrigation automatically.